What's going on, everybody? Stock Sniper Alex, and I'm back with another tip of the week. Just want to give you guys a little more insight on our strategy and how we trade these stocks. Last week you guys saw my video on a panic dip buy, the stock TSNP. We were dip buying it at 2 cents. This week I'm back talking about the same stock, the stock that went all the way to 25 cents when we were dip buying it at 2 cents. So that's like 15 times your money, which is ridiculous. We didn't hold it that whole ride, but our strategy really has proven to work time and time again if you're patient enough for the right strategy to come in. And yet again, the same exact pattern popped up on TSNP today. That's why we're recording this. The panic dip buy, same exact play, same strategy, the same approach that we're approaching it every single time. And when we see what we're looking for, we go ahead and we snipe it. Today was phenomenal. It was perfect. It was to the T. It went exactly the way we wanted to. And let's dive in. I got the screen recording. So this is right when we got in. Like I said, the stock went up to 24 cents and started dipping a lot today. It started to dip a little bit on its first red day yesterday, but we knew it had some more in it. And today it really started to dip in the morning. And really, when you think about it, a stock that's up at 25 cents, now all of a sudden it's down at 14, 13, 12 cents in the first opening minutes, pressing down 30% on the day, at least 40% from its highs the day before. That creates a big inefficiency, a big opportunity to buy in. And we were licking our chops, just waiting for that really outright panic to happen. And, you know, we knew our levels, we knew our spots. 10 cents was the spot that we were going for. We knew the support was there. If it was able to get down there, we knew it was going to bounce. And we had enough patience to wait for it. So let's dive in. I'm going to start right now. TSNP, panic dip buy again. Same principle at 2 cents, same principle at 10 cents. So let's dive in. So boom, now we're starting it. It's at 11 cents. The stock is already bouncing. We are in at 10.21. That is the spot that we bought in. You could see the minute candles right there. I think there's like 10 or more red candles in a row. And that's what I mean by a pure panic. Yeah, stock could be dipping 20%, but I like to really see it go 10 minutes in a row after it's already dipped 10, 15%. And that's just juicy. That's really juicy. And at that moment, you know, once it turns, once you see big buyers coming on level 2, you know, there's a good opportunity. And we were ready for this. We once it got under 11 cents, we were just waiting for the turn. Very simple. We had the order in, ready to go, and we took it at 10.2. Buyers were stepping in very nicely there, and it was clear to see. So we took it at 10.2, and look, 3 minutes later, the stock is up to 11.6. So we're already up 15% on our investment in 3 minutes, and that's the beauty of it. That's how amazing this pattern is. It's happened exactly when we dip bought it at 2 cents. We were up 10% in the first 5 minutes, and we got it again. So really, at this point, we knew we caught the bottom. We had the best position. If it was going to crack low, everyone's under. So this was a spot. We felt good about it. We felt good about the turn. We knew that it was going to stick. And really, you know, you just got to be patient for a couple minutes. And now it's been about 5 minutes. So we have our sell limit ready at 12.3, and that's over 20%, you know, and that's a goal. And you can see, look at level 2. It's moving very nicely. The bids are just stacking up above each other. People are still buying into the stock. It's still down 30%. So, you know, there's room for this stock to even go higher. But guys, it's 5-10 minutes. 10 minutes, 20% on your investment. That's just amazing. And look, it's hitting 12 already. You know, buyers are just pouring in. You can see right here, no shot for it to even come back down to 11 or 10 at all. So this is why it's such a high probability setup. And look, it's coming up 12.1. Almost to 12.3 is exactly what we're looking for. It's still down 28%. So there's room for this stock to go. When a stock gets so overextended like that, and so many, you know, sellers are stepping in and pressing it down, it creates that inefficiency. And if you're ready for it, if you're watching level 2s, this is a really good pattern. And we're waiting. It's 12.1. Oh, boom, 12.3. Is it almost there? You know, at this point it's going to take us. You know, the way it's moving, 5 green candles in a row now, bouncing off. I think like 8 of the last 10 have been green. since the bottom candle where we got in at 10.2. So we're just waiting. We're right there, right above the ask. Just waiting. There's some sellers there, but there's still buyers just stepping in. There we are around the ask, and boom, we're out. And there's just buyers just pushing it, and it went higher. The stock, I think, went up to 14 cents or like 13.5 cents in the next like 5 more minutes. So we could have made like 30%, almost 40% on our investment inside of 30 minutes in the morning, and we're done. That's it. We made $1,000 right there, dip buying at 10 cents and selling at 12 cents. 20% on your investment inside of 10 minutes. Where else do you see it? And it's so repetitive. This pattern really repeats so often. I'm coming back and talking about it again. Go look at our last video when we dip bought it at 2 cents. It looks very similar. It's the same pattern. And if you look at it the day before when it had that first dip, it did the same exact thing in the morning. So this is just something that, look, it's already up to 13. We made over $1,000 on it. It's just amazing. It's a blessing. You know, we're here just to show you guys that this is possible if you're ready for it. You know, you got to work hard to really put in the time to know that this is going to be the one that's going to drop in the morning. But hey, look, we're on it. That's why we do this. We're the snipers. We're ready for it, and we're going to alert you guys as quick as possible when these stocks are in play. And this was on the watch list all week long. You know, ready for this play, and we were ready for it. And there's not much more to it. Once you're ready, you execute, and you just keep on refining your execution to get better and better. So, you know, it took us a while to get to that point where we're nailing the absolute bottom, but even if you didn't, even if you got 10.5, you're still in great position. So, you know, this is a good play. Definitely watch it, watch the tape over, look at the minutes in the morning, really just dive in and realize, like, wow, like this actually is a good opportunity here, and you get more confident in it. And, you know, next time around you nail it. So there's opportunities like this every day in the stock market, and that's what we're going to do. So hope you guys enjoyed it. TSNP, it'll probably be back again. It might dip again. You know, we're not going to guess, but who knows? We'll see. So be on the lookout. Thanks for tuning in, snipers. Much love. Sniper out.